How's it going, guys? This is Victor with the BOB Trading Team. So today I just want to talk about two stocks that we've seen. One of them I didn't trade. I did some technical analysis on it. And the other one I got in with a small position, made a small profit, and then got out of the market for the day. What I've noticed is that the market's been a little, in my opinion, I could be wrong, you could be killing it. But in my opinion, the market's been a little dry. It typically dries up around holidays, around Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, all these different events. I feel like a lot of traders and people just go on vacations and spend time with their family. So the market isn't as volatile. So I know a lot of my setups haven't been coming. I've had a lot more no trade days and a lot of small days, and when I'm forcing trades, I'm having red days. So I probably will take the remainder of this year off, honestly. So you probably won't see any more YouTube videos until 2022. But let's talk about these two stocks that we seen today and just do some technical analysis on them really quickly. So the first stock that was the number one leading gapper when I turned on the computer today at like 8:15. I got a super late start today, like 8:15, 8:30, I think. So I turned the computer on. Reli was the number one leading gapper. I took this same trade one day last week. Let's go back and see really quickly what day that was. Um, I took this same trade on Reli on December 21st. So it was the number one leading gapper then, I think, too. It popped up in the pre-market. And as the market opened at 9:30, it dropped down. And then it starts to pick back up at around 9:40. Excuse me. It picks back up around 9:40 a.m. So this actually came into play. So let's make a line here really quickly just so we can let's make this where you guys can see it. Okay, cool. So at 9:40 a.m. on December 21st, it dropped down to about 6:40 after it creeped up or spiked up in the pre-market. So let's go back to the day. So was this today's date? Yeah, it is. Cool. So today in the pre-market, I told you I turned the computer on around like 8:15, 8:30ish. It was creeping up like it did on the 21st. It creeps up. The market opens at 9:30. And what does it do? It drops down exactly again like it did last time. It drops down. It drops and then it gets pretty close. It gets to about 650 and then it creeps up from 650 to about 712. No, about 707. It's a couple cents right there. But I just wanted to. I didn't take this trade today because the stock got me on Friday or whatever. It got me on the 21st, and it wasn't a great setup in my opinion, so I didn't take it. But I was interested to see if it bounced off this same line again. So what happens at 9:55 a.m. today? It bounces off the 640, which is this line we just put on. It bounced off at support, and then it creeps back up from 640 to about $7. I think it was like $7.08 or something, which is a cool move. So that's just a quick example of how technical analysis works. Support and resistance, knowing how to look at volume. This is a low float, small cap company, and they were doing pretty good volume today. It's just I know how this company moves after trading it on the 21st. And I think I've traded it one other time, and it doesn't move how I generally like stocks to move. So I didn't want to even risk it again today. But if you had made that if you had spotted that it bounced off about 640 on the 21st and you just paid that some attention, and you could have made a decent profit off of it today if you were interested in it. Then there was one other company, Sopa. I think I traded this last week on Monday, had a good day on it. When did I see this stock? I seen this stock around like, give me one second. Yeah. I seen the stock around like 10 o'clock. It popped up. Yeah, about 10 o'clock. Give me one second. No, my bad. I seen this stock around like 9:50, around 9:50 a.m. It started to pop up and squeeze up. Like I said, I don't like trading stocks over a certain dollar amount. Usually, I don't like trading stocks over $10. I traded this stock on I traded this stock on last Monday, so I know it's super volatile. And I think on Friday it was gapping up again pretty well. Either Friday or Thursday, it started gapping up again pretty well. So it was on my watch list still. So I seen it. The market was kind of dry. So I ended up taking this trade. I bought a few shares and it gapped up about $1 a share. It went from, I think I got in at like 18.54, 18.58, and it gapped up to about, well, it gapped up to $22, but I got out around 19.80, like right before it hit 20. I got out. I got out right before it hits 20. So this was just a stock I was showing you. I made money off this trade, but it really wasn't worth me taking. It wasn't an amazing trade or anything. I'm happy I trusted myself and I used my skills to actually take it, but I don't want to get in the habit of just taking trades because I'm bored and I see something going up. So I wish I didn't take this trade. I wish it was just a no trade day today. But what I was looking for when I seen this trade was right here at 9:45. It squeezed. Let me zoom in for you guys. Right here at 9:45 a.m. It broke through this purple or pink line and also broke through this yellow line, which is VWAP and a 9 EMA, and it started to squeeze up. I got in a little bit later after it broke through. I wanted to see if it was going to come back and test it. It didn't get that close to it, so I got in around here and I used these lines as my support. So if it would have broke through these lines, I would have got out of the trade and it would have been a small loss. But it ended up squeezing and gapping up pretty quickly. I think I was in this trade like less than 5 minutes. Made a few dollars and then I got out. Excuse me. So I like to take trades that have the break of VWAP and a 9 EMA. That's one strategy that I like. I just wanted to point that out. And I actually took profit pretty early because I think I got out around the late 19s, like 1980, early 20, like $20 flat. It ended up gapping up to $22 per share, which is a pretty good move from $18. But I was happy with my profit. The market's been dry. I wasn't happy about actually taking the trade, so I decided to walk away being slightly green instead of walking away being slightly red. So that's just another video talking about technical analysis and the importance of being patient and not trying to force trades. I know with the year winding down, the market's been a little bit slower, like I said, in my opinion, and I've been like forcing a couple of trades, and it's caused me to have red days that didn't need to happen. So I just wanted to like emphasize, you don't have to take trades that look good, take your setups, take trades that look proper, take trades that you think have a good likelihood of making you money. Don't just buy the first thing that's gapping up or the first thing your friend told you to buy. And also wanted to I wanted to make this note. You don't have to trade every day. It took me a while to learn this, but I felt like, oh man, if I didn't trade today, it was a bad day. If you didn't see a setup you liked and you didn't take a trade, that means you didn't lose any money. That means you used your discipline. So I started looking at no trade days as like green days. So I know when I first started trading, and still now I struggle with like not trading. Sometimes I get bored and I get impatient, and I take poor trades. And afterwards, I'm like, why did I even do that? So that's a big thing. No trade days, and just be patient. Wait for your setups. If you don't see anything you like, just get you some screen time. Stay, watch the market, see what it does, see where it bounces off, see where you think it might do it, and you can always go trade in a simulator. My partner always tells me, "Yeah, go trade in a simulator," and I never listen to him. But you can go trade in a simulator if you want to try out new strategies, test new things, and just be patient. Don't force trades. Take A quality setups, B quality setups at the very least. And I'll go ahead and end this video now. This will probably be the last one for 2021. Happy holidays. Enjoy your family. Stay safe. Bye.